My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called Spiderlock. Spiderlock. The video will show you what exactly this ransomware does with the files and how damaging it is. So before the ransomware attacks the files, of course there are no problems opening them, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office and other data. But due to certain existing vulnerabilities in the security of the computer, this particular Spiderlock ransomware may be easily injected into the system. Then pretty soon people realize that they cannot use their data anymore. This particular ransomware encrypts the files. And then, after the encryption procedure is successful, it is not possible to use the data. The ransomware adds a special extension, some unique identifier after the main file extension. So it adds SL. And some other data as the extension. The ransomware tells the victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom, of course, is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored. It is called Spiderlock because the ransomware displays a special ransomware note, and it says that the files are encrypted and that the victims need to contact the authors of this ransomware using this email address, spiderlock@email.tg. This is the reason why it is called like that. But paying the ransom is the waste of money, and contacting the criminals is the waste of time, because there is no guarantee that your files will be restored even if you pay the ransom. So we urge you not to pay the ransom, because this is a serious mistake. We recommend you to, first of all, check the task manager of your computer. In case you find any suspicious processes that could be running in the background, you need to terminate them. This could help you save at least some of your files from being encrypted. Then, considering removing this ransomware, what we recommend you to do is to go to the place where Internet Explorer program is located. Start Internet Explorer and go to the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Use this official website to download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, which will help you to detect and delete this particular ransomware. So use this green download Combo Cleaner button. Install the application and start researching and investigating your system. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and definitely this is crucial for proper detection of any malware. Then, after the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner antivirus has been successfully updated, the program will begin scanning and researching your system. It will then give you this summary of all the threats that were revealed during the scanning. By the way, Combo Cleaner not only detects ransomware type threats, it may detect threats like adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimization programs, malware, and other threats that currently circulate all over the internet. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature is the part of the premium license, but it helps you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. At the end of the scan, you will see the whole summary of the threats that were revealed, and Based on this summary, you will be able to know the locations of the threats, you will be able to know the name of the threats, and we do recommend that you upgrade to Premium to delete all these threats altogether and automatically. This is the best way to keep your data always protected in the future.